everybody, welcome back to the vlog. Sorry that I haven't vlogged in the longest time. The last time I vlogged was actually when I was on holiday, which is so bad. I don't know, I just haven't been on the grind at the moment, which is so bad, and I apologise deeply. First on the agenda today is to tidy up my room. There's just clutter everywhere and I need to sort it out, to be honest. I'm gonna play my Girl Boss playlist on Spotify, so if you want a good playlist to listen to that's like proper Girl Boss vibes, go download it. So the room is officially cleaned, which makes me so happy. It just needs a hoover, but I'll do that later. I am considering doing a room tour, so let me know if that's something you guys are interested in. I know you guys did just see a lot of my room in this video, but if you would like a proper in-depth room tour, like where I keep everything, let me know. But my system of doing it is I just go on each surface, remove the clutter and put it on my bed, and then I put the stuff back that I want to stay there, and the stuff that is still on my bed is the stuff I need to deal with. Normally it's a lot, but right now there's not that much. So this is what's on my bed right now. So, I just kind of sort it into going downstairs, need to go away somewhere in here, and going into another room. So this is everything from my wallet, but I forgot to put it back in after I came back from holiday, so that needs to go downstairs. This needs to go downstairs to charge. This is going to be on the end of this lens in a minute. My phone, obviously my phone. And then I've got my deodorant, which never went back, so that needs to hide behind there. And then same with my moisturiser, just goes hidden. This is what I bought yesterday, so that needs to go in the bathroom. That needs to go, this needs to go back in my drawer. This, if you were wondering, these are the wipes I was using. I love the Dettol ones. I have some already, but I bought another one because these ones don't have a smell. And I wanted scented ones, so I got these ones. They smell really good. I went through so many of them because I just love them. And I also use this, which is a little duster. Yeah, we're all tidy. We go downstairs, make myself some lunch, and then come back up, put a little bit of makeup on, and head out. You guys, I wanted to show you my new jacket, which, as I said earlier, is from Bershka on ASOS. I wanted one that was like a cropped bomber style puffer coat, because, as I said earlier, I don't have anything that's like waterproof or hooded. I love how it has this detail of like a different material here. I don't know if you can see it. You probably can't, but yeah. Has the Bershka little logo thing there. And then it's got really nice puffy sleeves, and it's like cinches in at the waist. Up into town, I'm just gonna put on some BB cream, mascara, maybe a bit of brow and bronzer kind of thing. And then I'm gonna head out. Hello everybody, happy Thursday. I meant to pick up the vlog this morning, but I was just so rushed to get ready. I had a PT appointment at 10, and then I did a bit of a gym sesh, and I went for a swim, had a shower and everything. And I popped to Pets at Home on the way home, got some dog food, and I also went to Tesco's. I'll show you what I got from Tesco's in a minute. So the time's currently 1 o'clock, and I'm literally ravenous. And I was gonna update my Instagram story, and I was like, no, I need to update the vlog. So I thought I'd share with you what I got from Tesco's. I was going to do a meal deal, but there was honestly nothing that I wanted. And I think we have hard-boiled eggs in here, so I might have like hard-boiled egg sandwich. Like an egg sandwich, because that sounds really good right now, because I'm really hungry. And we have white bread as well. It's not the healthiest haul, but it's all about balance and treating family as well. Firstly, I picked up some bits from Graze because they're all reduced in Tesco's. I love Graze bits. So firstly, I got 2 of these little snack boxes, and I'm gonna put these in my gym bag because I'm always wanting a snack after the gym, and I don't have one. So it's like a protein nut box. And then I took a packet of these on holiday, and I literally love them. So I thought these would be nice to like snack on in the evenings, or like whenever I want to snack. These are amazing. Yeah. I got a donut for each of my family. So I got my brother like a chocolatey one. I got me the glazed raspberry, and my mum just likes the plain one. So that's a little present for everyone tonight. Yes. And then for now, I got myself some crisps. And yes, I know I've just been to the gym and I'm gonna have crisps, but I thought these in hummus. I used to have that all the time, so I'm gonna have that. And I also got some popcorn, because I like to snack on this in the evening. This is my favourite one, and it was reduced to 90p. So I got 2 bags of that because it's my favourite thing ever. I'm gonna teach you guys a secret recipe of my favourite lunch ever at the moment. Let's do it. Also, I forgot to bring, I keep forgetting to bring, hello darling. Oh, look at the camera. Forgetting to bring like normal clothes to change into from the gym. Lucky I had a spare change of gym clothes. It's just a bit random, and I'm very hot bothered right now. The thing you need is an egg contraption like this. And you need your bread. So I'm gonna put my bread on a plate. Then you wanna take an egg. Normally I just kind of shake it, but obviously there's multiple in there and I only want one. So let's get my hard-boiled egg. Don't ask me how the egg is made, I didn't make it. And then you just roll it on the chopping board. I just broke the egg in half. Literally never done that before. Whatever. Which is really annoying because I've got to try and cut it up now. Oh well. Right, so just take all the shell off, whichever way you choose. Crack it, peel it, whatever. Let me know, do you guys like a hard-boiled egg? I love egg sandwiches, but only when I make it, or my mum makes it. I hate shop-bought egg, it's like mush. Okay, I'm gonna put my egg to the side, and I'm gonna go and get rid of this egg shell. Right, you could just chop it, but I'll have this little contraption. So, pop the egg inside there, and then slice it, and then you pick your egg up, turn it around, and then you cube it, and then that's it. Just pour it all, got a bit of shell in there, and then just put it in the bowl. Gherkins, I'm gonna take about 2, or 3. And we're just gonna chop them up into small pieces. You can skip this bit out if you don't like gherkins, but it just adds a crunch. So once you've got all your little gherkin chunks, pop it in your bowl with your egg. So I had about 4 baby gherkins just then. Then get some mayo, squirt a bit in there, and then just mix it all up. That is the finished result. It looks kind of gross, but it's really nice. And then I'm just gonna put it on my bread. And there is my lunch, and I'm really excited to eat it. Hope you enjoyed cooking with Liv. Let me know if you want more. Call up Gordon Ramsay because I don't think he's all right anymore. Soz about it. Hello everybody, so the time is currently, what is the time? Time is currently 3 o'clock. And I just got up and got changed because I was uncomfortable. I just put on this top and these joggers, which are from Pretty Little Thing. I don't know why I all keep looking so pale. Maybe I need to, there we go, I look a little bit more alive now. But I've just been doing some job / internship / whatever hunting for ages, and I've had Gleon in the background. And I'm just gonna paint my nails now because they just look horrible and I want to paint them.
Several days later.
Hello everybody, good morning. A little bit of an update. I went to Khalid in concert yesterday. It was so good. I'm currently wearing my merch right now, my Free Spirit merch. It was amazing. I'll insert some clips and stuff now. So yeah, that was Khalid. It was unreal. I ordered a bunch of clothes off of Nasty Gal. Yes, not yesterday, the day before, like as in something to wear to Khalid, but they didn't come in time. Did need some new, like going out, like evening-y, like more dressy clothes. So I got a few tops. So I thought I would share with you what they are. Here is my merch. So it's just a purple sweatshirt. It says Khalid on the arm in blue. And then it's got the Free Spirit with the little wasp or whatever it is. And then on the back, you've got all the dates. And I got this in like a large or extra large because I want it to be baggy. And I also got this top in an extra large. And it just says Khalid, Free Spirit Tour. And then on the back, it's got all the dates. His merch was quite cheap and it's really soft, so I got 2 of it. Now from Nasty Gal, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different like evening-y tops. They're all kind of summery, which is a bit like, I don't know why I did that, but I always get hot anyway. And I've got a fur jacket, so. So firstly I got this bodysuit. You'll notice this theme with all of this. It's all very like girly and princessy because I just love that at the moment. So it's just this black bodysuit with like ruffly straps. And I just thought it was really cute, like a different take on a black body. I got this bodysuit. This is really nice quality. So it's got a zip down the back and it's got like rubber on like the boob area to hold it up, but I would probably wear a strapless bra with this. And it's just like a nude like cami kind of top, and then it's got these really cute mesh like puff sleeves, and I just thought that was so adorable and so like princessy, and like you can wear it up like that or like as a bardo. And I just thought that would look nice with so many things. And I got another bodysuit. I don't have anything in satin other than like shirts, but I just thought this was such a vibe, like really sexy. I don't know what this is gonna look like on me, but I love how it looks now. It's just like a satin bodysuit, pink, and obviously it's a cowl neck, so it will just kind of sit like quite nicely. Again, I thought that would be really nice. And then finally, this is what made me want to do a Nasty Gal order because I literally adore this top. I thought this with literally loads of things, and again summer, winter either. So it's just this cute little crop top. It's got little like stars on it, it's cream, and then it's got these gorgeous puff sleeves, and I just think this is the cutest thing ever. Like, I can't even cope. I'm gonna try it all on now. And then I actually have an interview for an apprenticeship, which I am actually kind of nervous for because first I've got to drive down multiple motorways and I don't do motorway driving, so that's going to be fun. And also it's an interview, so that's really scary. Hello everybody, so I'm now fully ready. I don't know what I'm going to do with my hair. I've got this headband in. Don't know whether I'm going to keep it or not. But I'm now fully ready for the day. I tried on my nasty ass stuff and for now I really like it. I'm going to try it on later as well, like when I have a bit more time. But I thought I would show you my outfit of the day. So I'm wearing this jumper, which is from Dorothy Perkins, I believe. My mum got it for me. And it's just got these little ruffles. I just love it. And I rolled up the sleeves. And then I'm wearing these black Pull & Bear jeans. I think I might pop a belt on as well. I don't know what belt yet. And then I've just got my head down, but I don't know if I like it down. So yeah, I'm fully ready now. I don't know if I'm going to keep this headband on or not. I'm going to go finish off getting ready and I'm going to switch to iPhone cam. Hello, editing Liv strikes again because she's shit at ending vlogs. So, little update for you all. What the clip you just saw there, that was from this morning when I thought I was going to my interview. So I sit there for 10 minutes and I'm like, what's going on? Where is she? So then I look on my calendar and I'm like, oh shit, it's for next week. So I drove about 40 minutes away for literally no reason. So I just ended up shopping, wandering around. But I'm looking at it on a positive note because I had a nice day. And then I came back to my town, got a pumpkin spice latte, went to Starbucks with my brother, and now I'm home editing this vlog. If you enjoyed this vlog, give it a thumbs up. If you did enjoy it, be sure to drop me a comment down below what you have been up to this week, because I'd love to know. And yeah, be sure to subscribe if you haven't seen my face already, because I love YouTubing, and I love how much our community is growing. It's mental. Love you so much. Catch you later. Bye.